Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will show how to make a 7-layer burrito Taco Bell easy method. Start by warming a large flour tortilla, then spread a thin layer of refried beans evenly. Add a layer of seasoned ground beef, followed by shredded lettuce, shredded cheese, diced tomatoes, a dollop of sour cream, and finish with guacamole before folding tightly and serving hot. Gather your ingredients and get organized to make assembly fast and tidy. Warm the tortillas briefly so they fold without cracking. Cook and season the ground beef, then set up an assembly line with beans, beef, lettuce, cheese, tomatoes, sour cream, and guacamole. Keeping toppings in separate bowls speeds construction and helps you control portions. This setup makes it easy to build consistent burritos every time. If you're finding this helpful, please hit subscribe and like so I can keep making simple recipes. Quick recommendation: the Shark AI Ultra Robot vacuum cleans while you cook, with voice control and smart mapping that saves time and mess. It's a handy kitchen sidekick for busy cooks who want clean floors without stopping the flow. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Lay a warm tortilla flat and spoon beans down the center to anchor fillings. Add the seasoned beef next, then pile on lettuce and shredded cheese for texture. Spoon diced tomatoes, a modest dollop of sour cream, and finish with guacamole for creaminess. Fold the sides and roll from the bottom up, tucking tightly to seal. Serve immediately or toast briefly for a crisp exterior and melty cheese inside.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.